everybody, PJ from 437 Motorsports here again. If you're new to the channel, we're going to do a little quick video on programming your new key fobs. The one I got is separated, it's cracked, so I ordered 2 new ones in, and we're going to do a brief little video on how to program those for you. So here we go. Alright, first you got to make sure your ignition is in the off position. You go to your fuse panel, and the instructions say to remove the, let me get it focused, the radio fuse. Looks to be the 15 amp, which is right here. So we'll pop that out. And then it says to cycle the ignition from off. Cycle the ignition from off to on to run, where you're not starting it but to run 3 times, and ending on run within 5 seconds. And then you hold the your unlock and lock button down together for 15 seconds, and it should lock and unlock the doors and be programmed. And then you do each other, whatever remote you already had or your new ones too, same way. And then you cycle the ignition back off and pull your fuse. So let's give this a try. Alright, so it locked and unlocked everything. Now we're going to hold the buttons down. That may have been quicker than it said. That seems to have worked. And figured this out. I'm holding the phone. And the second one, that one seemed to do the same. Give it a little time. Like it says hold them for 15 seconds. So at least get it close. Alright. Turn the ignition back to off. It says you can reinstall the fuse then. And then the new one should work. So let's see. Yep, the door locked. Door unlocked. Reshut the trunk here. And on these F bodies and most GMs, I think you got to double tap the. And there we go. Trunk's working. And that's done. So I hope you found this useful. I don't know if there's any. I don't know for sure, but I'm sure there's some out there. Somebody's already done this. I'll post up some pictures of the instructions that I got from the remote company that I ordered from off of Amazon, so that you can read it out yourself. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching again, as I said. Have a good day.